What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tamyia, and welcome and thank you to all of my new subscribers. So for today's video, I have a very quick but informative try-on haul for you. It is the Essentials Fear of God try-on haul. I have several sweatshirts that I'm going to show you. I'm going to tell you about sizing and how that works because it does run very oversized. And I'm going to tell you how to take care of these precious garments. All right, so let's get into it. This is a light gray sweatshirt, and we have the Essentials Fear of God logo here, and then we have it on the back of the sweatshirt right there. This is from the men's department. It is an extra small. Normally in a sweatshirt I would probably get on average a medium. In adults I'd probably get a medium on average if I'm just going to the women's section in Target, Walmart, what have you. Okay, I'm gonna come closer so you can see. So I want to tell you, it is very comfortable. The inside feels so good. It's definitely worth it. The inside looks as so very soft, very comfortable. So we see our logo right here. Now this is like one of those, what do you call this material? Not a velvet, but it's like a certain type of material that feels good and soft that you have to be gentle with. And then the back is that same material. Now, because, and this is what I believe, because they put the logo in this material, they recommend that you hand wash these items. They recommend that they're hand washed. Okay, so you want to be very careful when you wear them. I'm sure you can take it to the cleaners. With regards to putting in the washing machine, I would honestly be very careful. So this is what the sleeves look like. Very comfortable and chic. And again, this is an extra small in the men's. And this is a little bit closer of view of the back. I really like it, and it feels good and it's cute. And now I'm going to show you the next sweatshirt. All right, so this is the next sweatshirt. Now this one is a kids large, or a size 10 in kids. It fits the same as extra small, maybe a little bit snugger per se. And it's like a grayish cream color, and it doesn't have anything on the back. And it just has the logo right here and on the sleeve. So this is kind of like a little bit closer up, as so. Now, the other thing about this one is that this is not that 3D material, but it still recommends that you hand wash. And this is where it's at on the sleeve right here. But the inside material is still the same, still fits good, still looks good. And again, the other one was an extra small in men's, and this one is a kids large, or size 10. Now, 3 places that I've seen where you can purchase is the Essence website, PacSun, and the actual Essentials Fear of God website. A lot of times they are out. They're sold out, so you kind of do have to look through and filter through. But they did get a new line in recently with different colors, so you'll probably look up and get something. But this is a kids large, or size 10. And again, even though the material is different with regards to the logo, it still recommends that you hand wash. Or like I said, you can probably take it to the cleaners, but you want to make sure that you keep it clean, especially if you're the type of person who may wear something more than once or twice. Maybe if you're just going out real quick for an hour and you know you're coming right back home. So you want to make sure that you keep it clean, because like I said, it's hand wash or dry clean. On to our next sweatshirt. All right, so this is my last sweatshirt, and real quick, I want to show you the packaging, at least the packaging that comes from Essence. All right, so all of mine have come in a flat rectangle box as so. And then it also came in this basically like garment bag as so. And it says essentials fear of God on it. And they'll give you information as well about the sweatshirt, really for like return purposes. So this is how the packaging came. Also on the Essence website, it literally takes like 2 days for it to get to you. So that's great as well. Now I'm not sure what color this is going to show up on camera, but it's kind of like a brownish, creamish color in natural sunlight. Depending on the lighting in your home, it can show up as more of like that olive greenish, brownish color, and it does have that 3D effect. So this is the front, and then the back doesn't have anything. So this one just has the words on the front and on the sleeve, and this is a kid size 10 or large. And I'll come closer, and so this is the front, and you can kind of see how it's like raised, and this is in cream. So this is like a brownish color, creamish brown, and this is in cream. And then right here on, is it focusing? Right here on the sleeve, again, same material, just different color. Absolutely love it. So yeah, everything that you need to know, I pretty much mentioned. I will link all 3 of mine in the description box down below. I have not purchased any sweatpants or shorts because I'm a little bit more nervous about purchasing the bottoms, but I would love to have a matching set. So I will definitely watch some more reviews with regards to the, you know, the jogger, well, not the joggers, the sweatpants and the shorts, because I would definitely love to get some sweatpants to match one of my sweatshirts. But again, definitely size down. You can size down like 2 sizes for sure. Like I said, I'm normally a medium in women's, and I have a kid's large, and then I have a men's extra small. If you order from Essence, it's going to come like clockwork. If you know you're going to want more than one, just go ahead and order them all at the same time. I ordered mine at different times, so that was 3 different times. I had to pay like $15 shipping. So try to order everything that you want all at one time. And again, I will link everything down in the description box below. I will also link these jeans if you're interested. They are from Old Navy. And I hope you're having a great day. Make sure you subscribe and turn that post notification, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Where you go, I follow. No matter how far. If I the best part.